Hi everyone, welcome back. I've seen a lot of gizmos out there to attach the battery to your DJI FPV goggles, and also a little organizer for cable management on your DJI FPV goggles. But I don't know, personally I think some of those items are a little too pricey, so we decided to do a little cheap version of our own to manage the cable and to manage the battery. So stick around, and we're going to show you how we did it. Okay, we wanted to manage our battery and the cable for our DJI goggles. So we thought, why not some industrial Velcro? And we purchased this off of Amazon. I think there's like 10 strips. There's 10 strips of 4 by 1 inch pieces in this box. So they'll be just like that. They're 4 inches by 1 inch, and there'll be 2 sides. This is the gripping side here, and then you have the soft pad side, which would attach to there. And apparently this is good for up to 15 pounds. So this should be more than enough for the battery, for the DJI goggles, and for the cable management. So anyways, I'll show you what I've done here. Okay, here's my DJI goggles. We'll just pull this off. Okay, on the back of the battery here, I put the soft one. This is the soft part here. Now you could do just a little piece like I done, or you could even trim it to fill the back of the battery. And then what I done is at the very back of the strap, right here, I went completely across with the other part of the Velcro and firmly attached it there. So you can just take your battery, and I just basically stick it on there like that, and it will hold up to 15 pounds. So there you go. As you can see, this is more than enough to hold the battery while you're flying. Now for the cable management, I done this a little bit different. What I done is I basically just wrapped this up, but you could put a little twist tie, figure out your length, and you could even put just a little twist tie on there, something minor to hold it together. And what I done is along here, along this strip here, I just put a full strip of the Velcro, and I put the rough one, I attached it right to the strap. Then for this one, okay, there you go. There's the Velcro, the rough one there. Anyways, I have that securely attached there. And then for this one here, I just basically done a loop. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy. I didn't even peel off the back here. So all I do is, this is going to stick on here. I just attach one end on there like that. And then I just basically looped it over. And right beside that one, I just attached it there. So basically I just have a little loop there. So with my cable, when I'm ready to fly, I can basically just plug this in, plug that in, and you can just slide your cables right through to the front. And if, like I said, if you had these just a little twist tie on it, you could just slide it through there like that for your cable management. You know, it just slips in there. You know, that's all you need. You know, the cable's not really going to go anywhere. You can fold it a little bit better than me. I just basically wrapped it up there just to kind of show you how easy it is to just wrap up that, slide it in there, attach it to your battery, and then you would just plug this right in here like that, and there you have it. You know, there's your cable management, your battery management, and you don't have to worry. And like I said, this is very easy to come apart. You can probably even leave the cable in there if you want. Leave it attached to your goggles. Just pull your battery off and charge it. Anyways, this is just a cheap version that I decided I was going to do for myself. And maybe there's somebody else out there that is in the same position as me and doesn't feel it's worth spending all that extra money on a special case and special management for the cable. And this is a cheap solution. You know, this Velcro, you get lots of Velcro that you can use on another project, and I think this was only like 15 or 20 bucks. I'm not sure. I'll check it on Amazon and I'll leave it in the description. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this is something that somebody else might be interested in trying, and if you do, let me know. I'd be curious if this is how you decided to attach your battery and manage your cable. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.